Katmak tian hapdeng Menteri Rambak Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma, badu MLA Keliang Persya Zenit M Sangma kelami hakakenta kelijing keli, jong ke dorbar senrai ke yang dorbar tauan Kejelah hakalak sing blay. Kani katmak tian hapdeng Konrad Kongkal Sangma badu Zenit M Sangma kelami halor kejingkeli ke bedai badu udau yong ubalai pu arlak metric ton. Habajubab ke jingkeli Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulakwa ban batai kendiat ke history halor ni udau yong balai pu arlak metric ton. Hendrai Zenit M Sangma uladawa bo Menteri Rangba ulai ban aibet ke jubab, bat umlai ban persyang ban keren kelanya ke jubab. Hadian bo Zenit M Sangma ulai yai pentut agapor bo persyang menjubab, Menteri Rangba Kejela ulaong bo ni udau yong udai ubalamin aduk kapor bau Zenit M Sangma udang don agapor sinsyar. Bat ulaong bau Zenit M Sangma umpat long ubreu ubalai e kejengmut jemperkan. Bat ula keno baka de keseng kongres kabala penmi yo ni udau yong balai pu arlak metric ton hakasnam arajar katsan. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bagi sorkar jela kala penbenaban ai kusnam sanajar tengkai kinu ki brio ki baai ki jingtep ha ka bedai ba jingti ba jingkai bea nya udau yong. Ka MLA na keseng kongres i Dr. Amprin Lengdo ila ai jingmut i lampang ke yang dor bar tauan ki jela ba Ahmed ba Lengdo bantau no da House Committee bane keren halor kene ka kam. Hendrai usembut Menteri Rangba ke jela ba Preston Tensong ula yeng bat ong ba omdon kam bantau kene ka House Committee. Namar baru ki dikot ke yeng kilayo ke jubab ke basai kedar na Menteri Rangba ke jela. Watla lamang shikenta na gebenta ke kenta keli jingkeli. Dari bonut ki MLA ke lebu jingkeli ha ke bedai bu udau yong ha ke baki MLA ke letai hadu sanbu kendai minit tang halor kene kamat.
On 9th June 2014, the committee was set up to declare and assess this particular coal that was there. I had replied in my first the supplementary that at that time 1.4 crores was declared by the people and the coal miners. But when the next committee that was part of
Mr. Speaker, sir.
Sir, the member cannot keep disturbing me, sir.
Just to correct his reply, he's contradicting the reply, his own reply only. As the first says,
sir,
he said 1.3 crore. Now he is saying 1.4 crore, which is to be accepted. He is contradicting his reply.
Okay, can you just clarify?
We can see from the record, sir.
Right.
Yeah.
Initially, he said 1.3 crore metric ton. Now he is saying 1.4 crore. He is chief minister.
Sir, it is, as I said, the coal was 1.3 crore plus, and at the same time, it was 94 plus, that means now almost 95 lakhs, was assessed by the government. And then beyond that, so therefore, this amount of the amount that he's asking whether it's there or not. So this amount was declared that time in 2015 only. So it's not something that we have created now. So from 2014-15, when Honorable Member also was a minister in the government, that is when this particular coal already was declared. So therefore, if he is questioning whether this coal is there or not, he should have questioned it that time, sir, when he was in the government. This was done back in 2014-15. So therefore, I think it's...
Speaker, sir.
Sir, he's again disturbing,
Mr. Speaker,
sir.
sir.
Sir, does he want to reply or no?
Honorable Chief Minister is...
Sir, this is not correct. This is not done, sir.
I am asking about the...
I did not disturb him when he is asking questions. He should not disturb when I am replying.
At 32 lakhs.
Please, you are a senior member. Understand how you should deal with the situation. Sir, this is not done,
sir. I am asking about the 32
You cannot disturb, sir.
This government has declared as inventory before the Supreme Court on the 3rd July. Specific question.
It's not something that we took out now. That's what I'm trying to tell the House, sir, through you and to the Honorable Member. He's not allowing me to reply. I think maybe he's himself realizing that he made a mistake about the whole thing.
To be specific, I don't want the history, I don't want the breakdown. I am asking about the 32 lakh metric ton of coal which has been declared before the Supreme Court as inventory on the 3rd July. Specific to that question only.
What do you want for that?
Sir, therefore, sir,
whether
what do you want from
32
that?
lakh metric ton coal is practically available across the state or not?
Number one, sir, the reason why I have to tell the history is I'm trying to tell everybody that this 32 lakh metric ton is not created by us. It is in 2015 during their time. It was already there. That's my point. So why are you blaming us? Why are you blaming us? You took out this 32 metric ton at that time. So it's not our creation. Now when the miners came to us and they appealed to us that this 32 lakh metric ton be taken up. We appealed to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court then asked us to assess. We made the assessment, and the 32 lakh metric ton has been approved by the Supreme Court. And based on that, now through the Coal India, we are going to go ahead with this. Now, if an honourable member is questioning this, that means he's questioning the Honourable Supreme Court's judgment.
Simply asking on behalf of the people of the state. The people wants to know whether this 32 lakhs metric ton declared before the Supreme Court as inventory by this present government on the 3rd July is practically present or not. Just yes or no.
So when this particular declaration was done, why did you not question it that time? Why did you not find out that time? Why are you now asking about it? Why didn't you do it that time?
I was not in
That's my
opposition
first
that time.
point.
It was your duty.
So therefore you admit that during that time it was there, and that's why you filed the report. That's my whole point, sir. I didn't create it. We didn't create it. You created this stock. You created it. And if you had so much doubt, why did you allow it that time? Is my question, sir. That's why history is important. Do you think it can be done without the coal actually being there, sir? So therefore the answer to his question is yes, absolutely. They are in the mines. They are there, the coal. And that is the reason why Supreme Court has allowed this transportation. And today him questioning this, that whether it's there or not, is questioning himself, his government, questioning the officers, and questioning the Supreme Court, sir. That is the whole point of my argument.
In the duration of the reply of the Honourable CM, it is also being told to the House that the 32 lakh metric ton is still in the process of being auctioned. Now, sir, I just want to know a simple reply as to these trucks that are carrying coal now. From where is this coal coming? Neither the auction coal is being transported, nor new one is being mined. So from where this coal is coming, sir?
To assess and to find out, and then based on that, the particular Chief Judicial Magistrate will then direct the particular Deputy Commissioner to auction that particular seized coal. It is the challans and the proceedings process from this seized coal, which, as I said, has happened in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 instances that these challans have come out, and that is what is being transported now.